Hi everyone, today's tutorial will show how we can change the colors of buttons in Squarespace. Customizing button colors helps us match our brand and make sure calls to action stand out. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. When we are on the page, we log into our account. After logging in, we go to our account dashboard. Once we have our website, we go to the website. Click this option. Now we are on our website. We click this to edit. Click the website and we will see the edit option. Click this one. Now we can see the edit sections and our layouts in this section. We click this one. This is where we edit our buttons. Once we are in the edited layouts, we can see the buttons. Click this one. To change the colors of the buttons, we just have to this one. Here, we can change the sizes and create some primary button styles. As we can see, there are colors. Just click the colors. We can see the Set White option. Let's scroll to the bottom. Here, we can see the button. We can change this color to another one. For the secondary button, we can change it here. We can change the button color as we want. This is for the background colors, the button background. For example, we can choose black. Once we have finished changing the button, we just go back and click Save. Once the save is done, we can now go Exit. And that's how we change the button colors in Squarespace. With the right color adjustments, our website will look more polished and visually consistent.